Let's have a look on this question. Point B, AB is the image of A after reflecting about the line L, y equals x. Find the coordinates of B. Before we do this question, we have to know two things, okay? I already written it in the remark. Remark 1, Pont's loop form of the equation of straight line. If a straight line passes through x1, y1, and this loop is k, then Pont's loop form, then the equation of straight line will be y minus y1 equals k times bracket x minus x1. Second remark, if L1 is perpendicular to L2, then the product of this loop will be -1. Okay, now we can do this question. We know the answer, okay? We know the coordinates of B, right? We just swap A and B, so the coordinates of B would be BA, okay? But now we prove why this is BA. First, what is this loop of L? Okay, L is a straight line, y equals x. Y equals x. So y equals x is actually y equals 1 times x plus 0, right? We know one of the form of equation of straight line, y equals k times x plus b. So therefore, we know this loop of straight line will be 1. So KL would be 1. Now, I connect point A and point B. Okay, so we know that LAB, AB, and L, they are perpendicular, right? So we can find out this loop of LAB. Since L is perpendicular to LAB, therefore, the product of this loop will be -1. And we know this loop of L is 1, so 1 times KAB is -1. So KAB is -1. Now we know this loop of AB, and we know this line passes through point A. So we can use Pont's loop form to find out the equation of this straight line. Okay, therefore, the equation of straight line will be y minus b equals -1 times x minus a. Y minus b equals a minus x. We move everything to the left-hand side. X plus y minus b minus a equals 0. Now we got this equation. So what should we do? We know the equation of L and equation of this straight line AB. Then we can find the intersection point, right? So we connect these two equations. The first equation is y equals x. The second one is x plus y minus b minus a equals 0. Okay, so let me just solve it very fast. Okay, I substitute y equals x in the second equation, and we have 2x minus b minus a equals 0. So x will be a plus b over 2. Since y equals x, therefore y is still a plus b over 2. That means the intersection point, the coordinates, okay? Let's say this point is point C, okay? So this point, the coordinates of this point will be a plus b over 2, a plus b over 2, okay? So I say, therefore, you may think, so what? What is the purpose of finding the coordinates of C? We know C is a midpoint of A and B, right? Then we can find out the coordinate of B. Okay, let's see how we can do it. So first, let coordinates of B be xy. Since C is the midpoint of A and B, therefore we have the coordinate of the x coordinate of A plus the x coordinate of B, x over 2 is the x coordinate of C, a plus b over 2. The y coordinate of A plus the y coordinate of B over 2 is equal to the y coordinate of C. So what does that mean? We can find x and y in these two equations, okay? So this is very obvious. We can find out x and y. A plus x over 2 equals a plus b over 2. That means x will be b. And the second one, b plus y over 2 equals a plus b over 2. That means y must be a. Now we found out that x is b, y is a. Therefore, the coordinates of point B are b, a. So now we prove it.